Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeBSA. So today this short video here, I would like to share with you Petra Energy, okay, about the chart pattern in this reaccumulation. So again, if you have followed my yesterday's section, okay, we do talk about Petra Energy and other trade setup as well. It actually formed a shakeout very nicely, and it actually going back to the support with NS signals. Okay, so this is the current one, okay, by looking into the green pentagon against green pentagon have to be in the right place. So above trend 40 is very important, especially if there's a new member, if you want to apply using the green pentagons, and followed by NS, okay, in this area. So today, P energy, okay, gaining around 6% at the moment. Okay, so of course we want to look into the overall background against to check is it still worth for us to look for the potential entry or not. So for some of the members over here, you can actually check out this TradeBSA screener, no surprise screener. So from here, you actually can spot the potential chart sell similar like P energy that having NS. Okay, so from here, they actually appear on 8th of October, which is on Friday. Okay, P Energy, STLT, pretty nice. Okay, it's in green and purple, right? So again, we want to study the background. Obviously, this is still in a reaccumulation. So if you put your charts to the weekly chart here, so there are a few things we can actually study and look into. So first of all, the red pentagons. Okay, so red pentagons, most of the time it turns to a resistance. So what you do is that you just draw the line over here. So you know this is becoming like a shakeout patterns, right? So price actually crossed above the red pentagon area, even though he haven't turned to green pentagons yet. But the overcomes bar, okay, above the red pentagon is telling you that the buy is coming back. So by looking into the daily chart, again, same things we can notice is that whenever the price goes back, it will build a support with sound strength. Okay, and here, exactly, right after the shakeout completed, after the wash is completed, they make a NS. Okay, so NS is a sound strength, no supply, which means that they actually, the sell is getting lesser in the particular areas. So of course, the currently the risk to reward probably is not that good anymore. Okay, because today it already break up 6% if you miss out the morning entry over there. So if I look into risk to reward over here, so let's say we are looking for entry right now. Okay, to the resistance is still got around like 15% to go. I think last time when we calculate it's around like 20 over percent, right? 22%. Okay, and the cut loss you can use at the low of the NS there, okay, around like 7 to 8%, or maybe to the low of the LC. Okay, so there's a few things that you can do and calculate, okay, to ensure that you got a pretty good risk to reward. Okay, so don't worry, actually I think currently there's still lots of counters, okay, holding well after shake up with NS. Okay, I think I just posted one in the Telegram channel as well. So look for those that who haven't really break up yet, or maybe you want to ensure your risk to at least is good, 1/2 before you take up the trades. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this short video. And if let's say there's any changes in terms of the chart setups over here, or maybe others good NS shakeout patterns, I will share in these channels later on.